Let's take a look at how we're going to deliver content through the use of video. Well, what we have found through our interactions with students that they overwhelmingly prefer video content delivery over traditional lecture. It's something different throughout their day. There's a lot of different reasons. We're going to highlight those here. Something that was kind of interesting was when we first started doing videos for our students, we were making PowerPoints or keynotes and delivering them that way. And what we realized they prefer the handwritten notes over those PowerPoints. And it's kind of funny because my handwriting is not great, as you can see, but they just like it better. They feel like it's more authentic, or it just holds their interest for some reason, more than the PowerPoints or keynotes that I think they see throughout their day. So you don't have to be super neat. There are different benefits to the students of delivering your content through the use of video, and a couple of them are that students receive the information at their own pace. I think this is the biggest benefit because they can rewind and re-listen if they don't get something or they kind of zone out. If you're standing up in front of them lecturing to them as a group and they kind of have a zone out moment, there's no rewinding. They have to actually ask you, what did you just say? And how many of us like to hear that? Not many of us. So they hesitate and they're not going to ask you to repeat yourself, or if they do, they're going to feel awkward. So this way they can rewind and re-listen as many times as they want. Also, we find that they have less distractions. They're wearing headphones and they're only looking a few inches in front of them at their computer screen. If you think about your classroom, you have a back row always filled with students. And that distance from the back row up to the front of the room where you might be showing your presentation and lecturing, that person that's sitting in that back row is going to have to look past all those other students. That's a lot of distraction points there for them. So we eliminate that and we basically put everybody in the front row. The other thing is that the videos are always available for review and reinforcement. We never hide the content videos. They're always available. They can go back and rewatch them. Maybe they're doing homework and they're like, I can't remember, I didn't write that down or something. They can access those videos and rewatch them as many times as they want. And you can make your content videos very high interest. That's the goal. Do something that's going to catch their attention. Put something that's entertaining in your content videos. It doesn't have to be straight talk the entire time. Make sure you add pictures, have some color. Put a little video clip in there if it's appropriate. All these different things will help capture their attention. And this way, they're getting the content at their pace. The one thing that you also want to make sure that I didn't have listed here is you want to keep them short. Basically, you're looking at content videos. The ultimate goal is to keep them to 5 minutes or less. So if you have to have multiple videos to explain a concept, keeping maybe 3 5-minute videos, that's okay. You're allowing them to have a little brain break in between videos when they have to switch over. Now, sometimes it might not be possible for you, or you just feel like it's not going to work. Try to keep it under 10 minutes. Really find that if it goes longer than that, you've lost them as an audience. Or have them pause it, take a little brain break in between, and then continue on.